Hello friends, welcome to Dharrsan Education. In this video, let's learn about how to align text, font, style, color, line break in HTML. What is CSS? CSS is a cascading sheets. It is a style sheet language used for describing the presentation of a written document. CSS describes how HTML element are to be displayed on the screen or in other media. Using CSS, you can control the color of the text, style of the font, spacing between sentences, as well as a variety of other effects. This makes site maintenance much easier. What is attribute? An attribute provides additional information about an element. An attribute is always specified inside an opening tag. All attributes consist of two parts, name and a value. A name is a property that you want to set, and value is what you want for the respective property. How to increase the font size? If the font size of the text in the web page is small, there would not be clear visibility. To make the text bigger, we have to use font size tag. Font style is equals to open double quotation font dash size colon any number and close double quotation. Now let's try a practical in a notepad. In the previous part, we learned how to make HTML document. We have to insert a font size tag before the text we want to see the change in size. We have to save the change by clicking the file button in the top left corner and select save, or you can use keyboard shortcut Control S. And for getting a change in the browse, we have to reload or refresh the page by clicking the arrow button on the top left of the page or clicking F5 on the keyboard. How to make text as heading? To make the text as heading, we have to use heading tag. There are 6 heading levels. For example, H1 to H6. H1 indicates the main heading and other are the subheading. Now let's try in practical. We have to insert a heading tag after the font size tag and before the text. What should be the heading? And save the notepad and reload the browse. How to change font style? We have to change font style to make the text more beautiful. For changing the style, we have to insert font style tag. Font style equals to open double quotation font dash family colon any style close double quotation. Now let's try and practical. We have to insert the font style tag before the text we want to see the change in, and let's try Arial black style. And let's save the notepad and reload the browse. How to change font color? You would have noticed that I have written COLOR instead of COLOUR because HTML take input in American English, and for changing the color of the text we have to insert the font color tag. Font color equals to any color. Let's try in practical. We have to insert a font color before the text. What we have to see the change in. Uh, and let's save the notepad and reload the browse. As writing the font tag separately, it takes much space. We can write it in the same tag. That is font style equals to open double quotation font dash size colon 30 semicolon font dash family colon Arial black semicolon color colon red close double quotation. Let's save and reload the browse. This is how to combine tags. How to change the position of the text. For moving the text right side, we have to insert text align right tag. For moving the text left side, we have to use text align left tag. For moving the text to the center, we have to use text align center tag or center tag. Now let's try in practical. For moving the text to right side, we have to insert a text align right tag before the head after the heading tag before the text. You want to see the change in. But only the text in a particular heading tag will be moved to that side. For moving the next heading to the center, we have to use text align center tag. But there would be no need to insert a text align left tag. In us in HTML is in default set to left side. Save the file and reload the page. Element produces a line break in text. We have to write too many sentences together. It will look like a huge passage. So for leaving space between two sentences, we have to use BR tag. Now I am writing a passage. This look congested. So for leaving space, we can use BR tag. In the place, we have to leave a break. Now I have used BR tag. Before using the tag, it was like this. Now it became like this. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like and share. And do not forget to subscribe my channel.